besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a 1 week check-in, plus I'm going to be stuffing my envelopes. I didn't have much to stuff, so the money has just been sitting here. But it definitely is time for me to do a 1 week check-in, just to check on things and see what the health of my last budget is. So if that is something that you are here to see, go ahead and stay tuned. I know I've been a little bit absent. First it was an illness. Now I have really been head down working on some stuff. So that's all I'll say. But I will be getting back to your comments as well. I know that a lot of you guys left me some comments on the last video. And I will be responding to everyone soon. So let's get into it. So I am going to be checking in on the last budget, which was on the 14th of February. And I'm also going to be adding some things to this budget as well, okay? So let me take this sheet out, or both of these sheets out, and then we'll stuff what I have to stuff at the end of the video. All right, so taking a look at life insurance, this was on auto pay and it was paid, and I believe that the life insurance came out to the penny. It was right on budget, so that was $117.04. And then the gym did come out, that was $32.99. The car insurance has not, I don't think that has come out, but I also need to check. Let me check on that really quick. So the car insurance has not come out as of yet, so I'll leave that, and of course nothing else has come out. Now what I will be adding to this budget is my electricity bill, and then I will also be adding my HOA bill. When I first completed the budget, the electricity bill was not ready. However, it has come out. I believe that I got it yesterday. So I will be adding it to this budget instead of waiting until it's due. It's pretty much what I do. And let me tell you guys how much it is. Yeah, so it's a total of $85, and let's see, $85.21. So it's due March the 10th, but because I have the money to pay it now, I want to go ahead and pay it now. And then as far as my HOA, that was not available when I created this budget, but I'm gonna log in now. It should be available now, like the bill for me to go ahead and pay it. So I'll let you guys know. So actually, still not available. I don't know why it's not available. Let me see, because I know, I don't know why it's not available for me to pay, unless I paid it early, and I don't think that I did. Well, still not available. So the last time I paid it on January 24th. So maybe it'll be available on the 24th of this month, and then I'll be able to pay it. But it says nothing due, so I'm not just gonna be giving them any money. So so that's that. I won't be making an HOA payment. but I will be making the electric payment, so that has been added. And then another thing that was added was my Metro, which I have here, the fast track. It automatically took $100 out of my account, so that was taken. And really that's pretty much it. There really hasn't been anything else as far as the budget is concerned. Well, as far as the bills account is concerned, or there is one actually, but I think I'm going to do this at the end, because I'm going to need to deposit money into the account. So there were some sinking funds that I did use, but I will reconcile all of that once this budget is complete, and then I can deposit the money into the account. But as of right now, I really don't want to make too many more movements on anything because of you know, because some changes will be happening as of this month. But so far everything is looking good. Everything really has been paid, you know, with the exception of the things here. I did receive the supplemental pay. I did receive the unemployment pay. The thing is, I will, you know, prayerfully I'll get paid one more time, but we will see. But as of now, this is everything, and we're looking pretty good. Also stay tuned, because my decluttering video will be coming out soon as well. All right, so I am going to stuff my envelopes right now, and this is a total of $160 that I am stuffing, which is pretty low, I guess you can say. So I just want to encourage you, definitely stuff what you have. You know, it's not always that we'll have a lot to stuff, but stuff what you have and stuff what you need, definitely, because that will continue to propel you forward in your financial journey. All right, so let's count to make sure all of the money is here. 1, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $160. So we're gonna separate the money here really quick. Won't take long stuffing, y'all. But if you would like to see the video on how I chose what I was gonna stuff, then definitely I would encourage for you to check out the budgeting video, because I do have more sinking funds than this. However, I did have to decide what I wanted to stuff during this budget. So first, what we're gonna do is stuff our toiletries sinking fund, and that's gonna be a total of $50. And so it's gonna be a 20, a 10, a 5, and 10 ones. Here. All right, so now let's count everything that we have in the sinking fund. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So $170. I think we're all set on the toiletries sinking fund here. And then next is medical, and medical is going to be getting, let's see, medical is going to be getting $10, and it's gonna get a 5 and 5 ones. Extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are some janky ones. So let's see how much I have total in medical. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $130 in medical. I will need to take $55 out of here to pay a medical bill that I have. All right, so that's it there. And then the last, oh, I'm missing something. Oh, you know what, in the toiletries, I think I forgot to put this $5 bill in here. So this is actually $175. That's where I missed that. That's $175. All right, and then the last thing that I'm going to be stuffing today is my sinking funds. And here I'm stuffing $100. But I am going to need to choose 2 more circles to stuff. And so I will be doing that and adding it to this envelope. But for now, I'm just going to be adding $100 in February. And that is that. Put that back there. All right, so that is that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. That's really it for this video. Please stay tuned because the content of my channel will be changing. Still, it's going to be heavily surrounded around finances, of course. But there will probably be more other type videos because I will be talking about how I'm managing my money, but it's going to be more so like how I'm saving, how I'm paying off debt. And, you know, of course, before it was, I had a budget for you guys every 2 weeks, but that may be changing. I don't know. Trying to just figure out life right now. 2025 is something else, okay? Let me tell you. But thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.